Okay, so I just want to talk a little bit about this post when you're getting ready to make a post on here. What you want to do is just get familiar with these buttons. So, this could be a heading. You can do a full length article if you want. And if you double click that and you click on header, that becomes the heading of the article. And you could write some stuff here. And then if you have a subheading, you can do a subheading just like that. And we'll go ahead and do like a header too. And then you could go on down and down, just like so. Now, if you have an image to insert or something like that, so I just have an image here, and I can drag and drop and pull this image over and drop it, right? Just like so, and the image will appear in there. And right here, I can make it 100%. I could click on it, make it 50%. Up here, I could, float it to the left. I can float it to the right, you know, or I could just get rid of it by hitting the trash. All right. So anyway, uh, as you go down here, you can actually change the different, the style of text. You can make this bold. You you can underline it. You can actually remove the style altogether from it, like that. Or you could choose a different style text. Maybe you want Arial black, something like that. If you want to highlight it, you can highlight it in yellow, red, and see what that looks like right there. Okay. So you could do a lot of different things. If you need a bullet list and you want to start out with a bullet list, you could do that. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take this image and we'll just make it 100%. Start with the bullet list here. Click on the bullet. This is an unordered bullet list, so this would be 1, 2, 3. Just in case you're getting ready to write something. And if you click a couple times after it ends the bullet list, and you can start writing again, just like so. Now, here's the other thing too: is if you wanted this to be numbers, you would use the numbered bullet list. It's an ordered list. So here you go: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. You could just keep going on and on like that. Now, the other thing that you can do is, like, let's say that you wanted to, if you want things to the left or to the right. So I'll click on this start writing, and we have that formatted to the left. But if we wanted it in the center, we could put it there. If we want it on the right, we could put it there. If you like justified text, you can have justified text, so on and so forth. So, and then you can indent, you know, or take the indent off. It's as simple as that. Now, let's say that you wanted to link something. So let me show you. Well, actually, let's go into the tables first. So if you wanted to draw a table, here you would get, this is the columns and these are the rows. So we'll make it 2 by 2. And so we'll just put test, 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 just like that. And you could obviously you could put images in there. You could put anything that you want to in these tables if you want to use tables. Now, if you want to link something, if you have something that you want to link, you just double click that so that it's highlighted, and you can click this link, and then you could put your link in here: https://a1sold.com, and click insert link, and then it becomes highlighted. Okay, so now it's clickable. Another way to insert an image, of course, is right here. So if you click on this, you go to choose your files. You can select an image, and it will upload like that. There. That's another way to insert an image. Here, if you have a video from YouTube, Venmo, Vine, Instagram, Daily Motion, or whatever, you can insert it via this. But there's also another way to insert videos, and just let me show you here. If you go to, I'm on my TikTok right here, and let me just go ahead and grab one of these videos that I have.
This is Brucey's
If
first
you
time
go over
outside
here,
on a
here, let me
Friday
pause the
walk.
video. If you go over here and copy the link, all right. So you copied the link, and you'll come back to your post here. You just paste the link in there, and then click off of it, and it'll automatically bring the video in for you. Okay, and that's true of YouTube and all these other platforms like Facebook and so on. So if you want to have something that you want to share like that, you can. All right. Now, if you want to look at the code, or maybe you for first of all, let's go ahead and look at full screen. This is a distraction free editor, and we could see it. TikTok brought in some junk code that we don't need there, so you could simply just take that out. Now, when you're in full screen and you need to go back to the smaller screen, you just click that again. All right. And you still have all of your stuff up here. Now, if you want to look at the code view, you just click on code view. And if you need to go in here and edit anything, you can. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And then when you're done, just click post and you'll see it in your feed here. So this is what we just posted. A person can view the post like this. And if he needs to edit it, he could go in and edit that post, do whatever he needs to do. The other thing that he can do is he could delete the post. So if he's in here and he views the post, and you'll notice that if you're the owner of the post, you can edit it or delete it. So we'll just go ahead and delete that post, just like so. And now it's deleted. But that's how you use this HTML editor. It's called Summernote, and it works out pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and show you a little bit about how to post things here.